With yet another Christmas in the books, I'll be taking a look at what you could expect as we head into the new year. Howdy y'all and welcome. Hope each and every one of y'all enjoyed your Christmas. If you got a lump of cold, don't be bummed out, as you can use that for some springtime grilling. Here at the Winds Weather Headquarters, it did feel like spring, although it was wet and soggy. It was still pretty nice out. In the central part of the country, y'all got in on a big old blizzard, as this low pressure system is still remaining stationary. It's been stationary for the past few days, and it's going to start to finally get out of the country by the time we head into the new year. You can see we got a little ridge setting in up here in the northwest part of the country. This is going to play a role in some warm air funneling towards the north as we head past the new year. But yet another trough is going to be setting its way into the central part of the country as we head into the meat and potatoes of January. Now I'm sure y'all are confused as to what all of the blues and the reds are. These are basically the troughing and ridging patterns. And to show y'all a simpler map, this is the simulated radar. This is what you normally see when the meteorologist shows you the weather maps. This is what he typically shows you. As you can see, we're dealing with this low pressure system that was shown on the 500 millibar height anomaly map earlier, bringing some heavy snow showers still to much of the central and northern plains, and some heavy rainfall amongst the eastern and northeastern part of the country. And this is going to be getting out of here as we head into New Year's Eve. You're waiting for the ball to drop. You can see we're getting in on some lake effect snow showers amongst the eastern part of the country. You might be getting in on some snow showers over here if you live in New York City and wait for the ball drop over there. Now, I know over here in Indiana, we watched the IndyCar drop, which is pretty neat. But if you're waiting for the ball to drop, please bundle up and please prepare for some snow showers over there. Although the rest of the country is going to remain pretty dry. It might come in on some rain showers down here in Texas, though. And I hope y'all filled out your New Year's resolutions, although 6% follow up on their New Year's resolutions. And don't be the 94% that don't. All of you that subscribe to this channel are winners, and you are the 6%. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below if you are a winner, and hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload, because here at Winds Weather, we make weather forecasting fun and informative. Now, once we get past the new year and head into the meat and potatoes of January, we can see that yet another storm system is going to be setting up, bringing some snow showers amongst the western part of the country over by Nevada and Utah up into Montana and Canada, with some rain showers down here by Georgia and Alabama. That's going to be pushing off towards the east and bringing some icing potentially in Texas. Now, this is still pretty far out. Anything can will change, but mainly for the next few days, we're going to start to dry out once this low pressure system starts to push out of the country. And as we can see on the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook, this leads us into the new year. We can see that above average precip is expected for much of the southern half of the country, even up there by Alaska as well, while below average precip is expected up there in the northwest and over here in the northeastern part of the country, including Minnesota over into the Dakotas. Heading into the next 8 to 14 days, it looks like much of the western and southern part of the country is going to be getting in on above average precip, along with the southern part of Alaska and Hawaii, except for over here by Indiana up into New York, where below average precip is expected for y'all. Now, as we take a look at what kind of temperatures you're going to be expecting, let's go and take a look at that. We know we've been pretty warm here in the eastern part of the country, and I hope y'all grilled out some green eggs and ham like Sam I am on Christmas, if it was dry for you guys. I know much of the eastern part of the country is pretty soggy out. And it looks like we're going to come back into a warm-up as we head into the 27th. And it's going to start to get really chilly yet again, back and forth temperatures over here in the southeast. As we head into New Year's, we can see this really frigid air is starting to come back again, especially by New Year's Eve. 10 o'clock on New Year's Eve, y'all are waiting for that ball to drop over here in the eastern part of the country. Please bundle up. It's going to be really freaking cold, although it's going to be pretty dry. It might come in on some snow showers over here. Please bundle up if you're heading out to watch the ball drop or the IndyCar drop or whatever drops in your area that you celebrate New Year's at. And please don't drink and drive. Just a disclaimer here, that's stupid. Please do not drink and drive out there in the roads. Your life is more important than the booze if you're driving. It looks like as we head into the meat and potatoes of January, we can see on January 2nd, y'all are heading out to work after celebrating New Year's. Looks like we're coming into some single-digit temperatures amongst much of the country. And it looks like no relief is going to be in sight quite some time. If you take a look at the above and below average temperatures, temperature anomalies, we can see that the southeastern part of the country is going to be getting in on some below average temperatures, might mean some falling iguanas. Although the northwest part of the country is going to be getting on above average temperatures, remain in this pattern for quite some time, with the southwestern part of the country getting in on some below average temperatures as we head into the meat and potatoes of January. As we take a look at the temperature outlook as we head into the new year, we can see the southeastern part of the country is heading into some below average temperatures, while the rest of the country is near normal to above average. Head into the next 8 to 14 days, looks just about the same really, with more of the northern half of the country getting in on some above average temperatures. So I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas. And please be safe on this new year. Don't be the 94% that don't follow up on their New Year's resolutions. Please be the 6% that follow up and stick to it. Don't go out drinking and driving. If you do go out drinking, please have a designated driver. Don't want to risk your life out there. Your life's more important than anything. So again, have a fun, happy, and safe new year. I will have a January outlook forecast up possibly by Saturday, but I will let y'all know on X and Facebook. So make sure you go follow those. I'll link those in the description down below. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, never stop forecasting. I wonder what